How to change Binance phone number or how to change your account phone number on Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Besnat and today I'll guide you on how you can easily change Binance phone number. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Binance application. Once you do so, here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now in my case, I haven't verified KYC, but I'll just show you on how you can change your phone number. So once on your home page here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon or the Binance icon that you'll find at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you can see you'll be headed to your profile. Right now here, what you want to do is you want to tap on your profile there again. You can see their anonymous user written there. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here on your profile, you want to head into security, and under security you'll find the option that says phone number. If you tap on it here, you can see that I haven't added my phone number, but if you have added here, then you can edit it and you can change it on here. So this way you can change Binance phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.